I'll explain what's wrong with this bike. So, the person who had this bike has brought it in because he has lots of, you can hear that squeaking and a whole bunch of stuff coming from here, clicking and scaring them. Not only the derailleur is not adjusting to the highest gear and the lowest gear easy. Now, the quick fix for that is probably 2 screws, and it's a Shimano, however you pronounce it, derailleur. Each one has a high and low screw. That will help it adjust. I'll do that after. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this whole bike apart. I don't think you could hear that properly in the last video, so I really want to show. And when you're pedaling, it clicks, it keeps popping. The brakes are working right now, and the derailleur is working for most of it, but it could just be the rust. It could be tightened, but before I tightened it, I want to get this all set, because if I take this all apart and then put it back on, I'm just going to be redoing it anyway.